Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Aishwarya Arora and I hope you all are doing great. So this is my first ever haul. I am so excited about it. Before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon right next to it so that you will get updated whenever I post my next video. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram guys. I'm most active there. In addition to that, if you want to watch my makeup tutorial for this look that I'm wearing right now, I've uploaded it on my IGTV videos. Don't forget to check it out. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So I went to RS Samaj market, which is in Uttam Nagar. I live in Uttam Nagar West, and the market is in Uttam Nagar East. That is the nearest market to my place, and it is hardly 5 to 10 minutes away from my place. And that is the only market I go to when I have to buy anything. Like it is a complete market, you guys. You can buy traditional clothes, Western clothes, dresses, old jewelry, false jewelry, anything, head to toe. You can find everything in that market. It is not only like the flea market, like there are only stalls and circles, etc. It is not like that. There are huge showrooms as well where you can buy suits, sarees, traditional wear, Western wear, etc. But I do not buy from non-brand shops or showrooms. I either buy my clothes from brands or either from flea markets like Sarojini, etc. If you live anywhere near Uttam Nagar or Dwarka or Janakpuri or Vikaspuri, you should definitely check out this market once, and I bet you will love it. It's on the main road, and आप उत्तम नगर वेस्ट या उत्तम नगर ईस्ट किसी भी मेट्रो स्टेशन से आप ई रिक्शा पे इजीली उस मार्केट में जा सकते हो. एंड something I would not recommend about that market is their shoe collection. Like हर शॉप पे ही ना बिल्कुल मुझे शू कलेक्शन पसंद नहीं आई. I couldn't even find daily wear, slippers or flip flop for me. Like I just couldn't. I didn't like a single piece there. All of that place just looks cheap, I guess, and I just didn't like it. And I won't recommend you guys either to check out any footwear shop there. Except for that, everything is superb in that market. Like it's a mini Sarojini Nagar for me. Sarojini Nagar is quite far from my place now, so we just went there to shop something else. We didn't went there to shop clothes at all. Like no, but we ended up doing shopping. That is the reason why I couldn't shoot videos of that market for you guys. I'm sorry. We were getting late and the market was almost getting closed, so I couldn't shop much. But the pieces I got, I am hugely satisfied with it, and I just loved all the things that I bought from there. So yeah, let me show you guys what I bought. So I'll start with my best buy and my favorite dress. So it's a long dress. How beautiful it is, the print, the color, and it is giving such summery vibes. It's summer now, and these kind of a floral dresses look so pretty in summers. It has frills on its sleeves, and it has a neck like this. It has a V neck like this, like a wrap around neck. It has a belt kind of a thing. It doesn't have any elastic on its waist, but it is like perfect for me. It felt like ये मेरे ही measurements लेके मेरे लिए बनाई गई है. Especially the fit is so good. It has sparrows on it and flowers. Like this is so pretty, and it just got my heart when I saw this dress. I usually don't wear long dresses. Like I like short dresses more. The quality is superb, so I just bought it, and it is looking superb on me. It is looking so pretty on me. Like I just love this dress, and I bought this dress just for rupees 250. कैन यू इमेजिन. इस तरीके की ड्रेसेस ना आपको ब्रांड्स में ही मिलती हैं. नेक्स्ट जो ड्रेस अब मैं दिखाऊंगी आपको, वो भी मैंने उन्हीं भैया से ली थी, उसी शॉप से ली थी, तो वो कम ही नहीं कर रहे थे. सो आई गेव हिम 500 फॉर बोथ द ड्रेसेस. लाइक बट इट्स अ डील. इट्स जस्ट वर्थ इट. एंड नेक्स्ट आई हैव दिस ड्रेस. लाइक आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट, मैंने ये उन्हीं भैया से लिया है जिन भैया से मैंने अभी ये ब्लू वाली ड्रेस ली थी. आई होप यू कैन सी द प्रिंट. लाइक इट इज ऑफ बेज कलर एंड इट हैज ब्लैक फ्लावर्स ऑन इट. ये जो छोटे छोटे फ्लावर्स वाली ड्रेसेस होती है ना, ये इतनी आजकल ज्यादा ट्रेंड में है. और इसका इसका भी वी नेक है उसी ड्रेस के जैसा, बट इट हैज like stitch button on the neck, so that you don't have to wear any tube under it or any sort of spaghetti. तो इसका प्राइस नहीं कम कर रहे थे. मैंने इन्हीं दोनों ड्रेसेस के लिए, द प्रीवियस वन एंड दिस वन, मैंने उनको 500 पे किया था. आई गॉट देम फॉर 250 each. Like yeah, look at this. It is also a full length dress. It has frill on its end just like the previous one, and the material, like it's वर्थ द प्राइस। इसका भी फिट मुझे बहुत अच्छा आया है। मैंने ऑलमोस्ट जितने भी कपड़े बाय किए हैं सबकी फिट मुझे इतनी अच्छी आई है, मुझे किसी भी कपड़े को ऑल्टर कराने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी। लाइक all the dresses, all the clothes are meant for me. So I just loved all of them, and I just love this dress too. This full sleeved dress and looks just so structured and pretty. Next dress I have is this very beautiful checked dress, and it has a neck like this. I hope you can see. It is like this. Let me show it to you. Okay, it has a very pretty knot, and ऐसे स्टाइल की ड्रेसेस ना मैंने बहुत इंस्टाग्राम पे देखी हैं, which has कमर पे knot and बाकी ऊपर से baggy. तो it's quite loose for me, and I just love the way it looked, the way it fitted. Like I just love it. It has elastic on its sleeve. It has short sleeves. There is some frill going on here. And मैं भी कुछ दिनों पहले ही ज़ारा गई थी and मैंने ऐसी ही सेम checked print की ड्रेस देखी थी वहाँ पे, but it was short. And I was so happy to see like yeah, the check is in trend. Okay, so it is like this from the upper part, and it goes like this all the way like this. It goes like this shape. Okay, this shape. इसके नीचे ना साइड में दोनों साइड पे ऐसे स्लिट है. लेट मी शो इट टू यू. या ये रहा. इसके नीचे दोनों साइड में स्लिट है. लाइक मेरी हाइट ज्यादा लंबी नहीं है तो ये मुझे बिल्कुल नीचे तक आया है. आई ओवरऑल जस्ट लव्ड दिस पीस एंड आई गॉट इट फॉर 200 रुपीज ओनली. मैंने इस ड्रेस के लिए बहुत ज्यादा बार्गिंग नहीं किया था. मैंने बस एक बार कोट किया था, उन्हें प्राइस किया आई पे 200 rupees for it, and भैया मान गए थे. It is quite loose for me, so I'll just wear a belt on my waist to give it a structured look. I know that not want to be visible then, but yeah, it's just loose for me, so that's the only way to make it look more structured. And is this very beachy sort of a dress. It has leaves all over it, and the print is so beachy and summery. It is giving full Goa wali vibes. मैंने उस टाइम ध्यान नहीं दिया था इस पे कि ये ड्रेस है. We thought it's a jumpsuit, but yeah, it's a dress. The thing that I like the most about it is this, it has a cloth here stitched with it. Like it has quite a deep neck if you see. So, and there's elastic as well, so you don't have to worry about your cleavage to show, and you don't have to wear any tube or spaghetti under this. So we got this dress for 200 rupees. Have this shorts. Look at the color, just it is of tan color. I was looking for these kind of a shorts since so long, and I just loved it. It has the knot thing here. It is not on the both sides, it is on the one end. Next one is on the middle, and it looks super stylish. It has pockets as well. Material is so good. I bought it for 150 rupees, and it is not bad. Like it's quite a nice deal. Next is this black colored polka dotted crop top. Look at this. It has two frills on its sleeve. Polka dots आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेंड में है. बहुत सारी celebrities polka dots print की dresses पहन रही हैं, and it is back in the trend. बीच में polka dots का trend बिल्कुल चला गया था. It is transy. You can wear a tube top, a crop tube, or a crop spaghetti under it. I got it for rupees 200, and it was in the circle thing, और उसमें fixed price होता है. You can't bargain on that. वाला top and वो tan color के shorts मैंने एक ही shop से buy किए थे. Next I got this black top, like it's an off shoulder top and it looks like a party wear top. It is so pretty. It has straight loose sleeves and इसके ऊपर एक होता है ना जैसे silverish thread and blackish something shiny thread, उससे इसके ऊपर ऐसा ये डिजाइन है एंड इसकी स्लीव्स नेट वाली है. बीच का ये जो टॉप का फैब्रिक है, इट इज सो सॉफ्ट, इट फेल्ट सो सॉफ्ट एंड comfy and I just got it for rupees 100. Can you imagine? It's a party top. It has two straps on its shoulder as well. I thought कि ये ना ऐसे आएगा जैसे strapped off shoulder tops होते हैं ना, बट ये वैसा नहीं था. मुझे लगा था कि ये ऐसा ही स्टाइल में है, बट जब मैंने एक्चुअली इसको आके पहन कर देखा तो इसकी जो ये स्ट्रैप्स हैं ये बहुत छोटी हैं एंड ये बहुत ऊपर चढ़ रहा था. तो आई जस्ट चॉप देम ऑफ एंड रादर इट्स सो नाइस. इट डजंट हैज एनी इलास्टिक ऑन टॉप बट या इट जस्ट फिटेड मी. ये बिल्कुल मुझे फिट था. ऐसा नहीं था कि ये नीचे हो जाएगा या ये टाइट है या लूज है. बिना स्ट्रैप्स के भी ये मुझे परफेक्टली फिट हो रहा था. Next I got this palazzo. It looks like a skirt but it actually is a palazzo. It is pleated from one side and it is plain on the other, and it has a cloth in front of it like this which gives it a look of a skirt, and from the back it looks like proper skirt. Actually there is this cloth, let me show it to you. There is this cloth and it's a palazzo. It has a lining like shorts की जैसी इसके अंदर एक lining है. I just got it for rupees 100. Like can you imagine? I just got it for rupees 100 and the elastic of this is nice and summers आ गए हैं तो ऐसे loose bottoms and comfortable बहुत अच्छे होते हैं summers में. Next is this very beautiful neon colored shirt. Like I just loved it. It looks so beautiful. इसके पीछे ऐसा hole है and there is a button and buttons की quality is super duper great. इसके ends पे भी sleeve के buttons हैं both sides पे and ये full sleeves की है. इसके front पे ये जो collar पे pearls लगे हुए हैं. This actually is of good quality. There are some white pearls and there are some shiny, copperish kind of pearls. And the best thing is that the pearls are not stitched with the top because जो भी stitched होते हैं ना pearls या कुछ भी मोती तो वो सब निकल जाते हैं. आप एक बार इसको wash कराओगे ना आधे से ज़्यादा लूज हो जाएंगे and they will start falling off. So it is not like that. They are बिल्कुल studded in. You can see it here. All of them are studded nicely. So they are pretty sturdy and ये बिल्कुल भी मुझे नहीं लगता कि इतनी easily निकलने वाले हैं wash के बाद. So yeah, a big thumbs up for that. And I found it so trendy. Like neon colors summer में इतने pretty लगते हैं. मैंने recently अभी इसको अपनी best friend के birthday पे पहना था and I styled it with a blue denim skinny jeans. And so yeah, I'll not try it again. I'll just put a picture or something here. So yeah, I just love this shirt and it was for 200 rupees and it was again in one of some circles. मैंने इसको थोड़ा सा गंदा भी कर दिया है. मैं मेकअप कर रही थी. Riya just called me and I got like this. So yeah, यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा फाउंडेशन लग गया है but it's okay. I don't know if it will get off or not, but कोई बात नहीं, मैं ऐसे बाल आगे कर लूँगी अपने and everything is fine. I also bought some nightwear from that market and they were at a very nice price. So first thing is this very cute oversized night t-shirt dress and just look at the print. It has slit on both of its sides and it just looked super cute and I just loved it. It has omelets and alarm clock and coffee mug and toast. It is giving all cute vibe. इस तरीके की टी-शर्ट ड्रेसेस ना मैंने बहुत पैंटालून्स में और ब्रांड्स में ऐसी टी-शर्ट ड्रेसेस नाइटवेयर में बहुत सुंदर सुंदर प्रिंट की होती है बट मैंने कभी वहाँ से बाय नहीं की बिकॉज आई फाउंड देम अ लिटिल ओवर प्राइस. आई गॉट इट फॉर जस्ट ₹200. Yeah, it is pretty nice for the price. Like the quality is so good, material is so soft. नाइट के कपड़ों में ना आपको बिल्कुल सॉफ्ट मटेरियल चाहिए होता है, बिल्कुल कंफर्टेबल, ताकि आपको सोने में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम ना हो. Next is this PJ, a very beautiful floral print, and the quality is so nice. It is so soft, and मैंने ऐसे same fabric में like एक ही circle से same fabric में मैंने 2 PJs लिए थे. And let me show the other one to you. The fabric is so good and comfortable. It is so soft. I just paid 200 for both of them, and so these are for 100 rupees each, and it is pretty nice. It doesn't has pockets, so that's why I got it for 100 rupees each. And if you want to buy pocket wale PJs, so you will get it for 200 आराम से, because pocket wale PJs में आपको ना वो bargaining नहीं करते हैं. So yeah, it's quite nice for 100 rupees, except the fact that it doesn't has pockets. Next clothing item I bought is this PJ, another one, but it has pockets. Okay, you guys, it has pocket, and it was just for rupees 200. As I told you, pocket वाले PJs 200 के ही आते हैं, and it has very cute heart print on it, and I just love the print, and material is also good. I also bought some hair accessories from that place as well. The first thing is this hairband. आजकल ये knot वाले hairbands ना बहुत ज़्यादा trend में है, and it was looking so glittery and shimmery. I do not wear a lot of hair accessories, but you know it is in trend right now. Let me show it to you how it looks. I don't know if it is looking nice on me right now, but I am sure that it will look nice when I wear it properly. I bought it for rupees 100. मैं रजौरी मार्केट से भी ऐसा एक हेयर बैंड लाई थी, and that was for rupees 250. and उन्होंने उसका प्राइस कम ही नहीं किया था, because रजौरी मार्केट में प्राइसेस थोड़े हाई होते हैं अदर मार्केट्स के हिसाब से. Maybe I'll wear it someday. Last but not the least, I bought these scrunchies. Scrunchies का trend वापस से बहुत ज़्यादा आ गया है. I bought 6 scrunchies from there. It was for 10 rupees each, and that is pretty cheap. One in the white and blue and black and grey, and this is shiny pink. It is shiny. Okay, the elastic is pretty nice. The 6th one I couldn't find it. It was in peach color. It was basic like these ones. I think my sister took it with her. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Do tell me in the comment section if you like this video, and if you want to watch more hauls on my channel, do let me know in the comment section. Like this video, share this video with your friends and family. I love you all guys so much. See you in the next video. Mwah. Bye.